Welcome to Scottsdale, Arizona, a place where the sun shines bright and opportunities for growth in aesthetic medicine are endless. Join us at the IAPAM Aesthetic Medicine Symposium, where innovation meets expertise. This is your chance to elevate your practice with hands-on training from board-certified dermatologists. Experience comprehensive training on Botox injection techniques, medical weight management, and non-invasive body sculpting methods. Our symposium is designed to empower you with the skills needed to thrive in the aesthetic industry.
You guys will have the opportunity to do hands-on training with Botox. So guys, don't second guess, don't think about it twice. I wish I could have done it earlier. You guys will make good connections. Go with an open mind, go with an open heart, and have fun.
I've given a lot of shots in my career, but this was something different. And it makes me feel like I'm ready to get out there and do other things along with this.
Can't make it to Scottsdale? No worries. With the IAPAM Learning Lab, you can learn and get certified from the comfort of your own home. Our on-demand training options provide flexibility and convenience, allowing you to balance your professional and personal life seamlessly. Join over 10,000 successful certified providers who have transformed their practices and improved their quality of life. With a 98% recommendation rate, our programs are trusted by practitioners worldwide. Whether you're attending in person or learning from home, the IAPAM Aesthetic Medicine Symposium is your gateway to success in aesthetic medicine. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your skills and grow your practice. To learn more and register, visit our website or contact us at 1-866-211-6901. We look forward to seeing you in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona.